How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money selling Instagram story templates on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then we will move on to show you a tool that you're going to use in order to spy on the shops on Etsy and also spy on the products, see what product is really working and the products that are not working, in order to know which products that deserve to spend your time on creating and listing on your shop, and the products that you need to avoid. And then I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products using canva.com. So let's get started by typing the name of the product we will look for, which is Instagram story templates, and here click on search and give it a few seconds to load. And here you will have a lot of examples of the Instagram story templates. So let's give it a few seconds to load. And here we will choose an example to check. So here, as you can see, we have a lot of Instagram story templates. We have this one here, which costs $7. Another one here, $18, $8. This one here, which costs $20. 30 days of marketing carousels. So let's check this one here and let's give it a few seconds to load. So here it's about carousels, it's not Instagram story templates. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see the information about the product. And also, guys, the reason why I like the digital products more than the physical products is that in digital products you will not need to worry about any returns or refunds or any shipping or stocking or anything like that. You'll just upload your file or your product on Etsy. Then whenever a client buys the product, they will receive it immediately throughout their email, and they will not be able to ask for a refund or a return, because first, you did not ship any product to them directly, and second, you can't, if someone asks for a refund, there is no way for you to know if they deleted the file or they kept it on their laptop and just asked for a refund to scam you. So that's why there are no refunds in digital products. So let's move on to the spy tool I have talked about in the beginning to make sure that this product is really a winning product or not. So here the spy tool is Everbee, which is the name of the tool we are going to use in order to spy. So here let's give it a few seconds to load, then click on sign up for free and wait for it to load again. And here it's still loading, and while we wait for it to load, let's go to this website here and take the name of this shop in order to use the name when we look for to find the shop and to spy on it, see the insights of this shop. So let's give it another few seconds to load, and here let's go to the shop analyzer. Let's wait for it again to load, and here let's go to the shop analyzer. Let's remove this here. So guys, in the shop analyzer, it's the spy tool you are going to use in order to spy on shops directly. And if you want the product analytics, you can go to this tool in here, and these all are the research tools. So here let's type the name of the shop, Andrew Pixel, and click on search shop. Let's wait for it again to complete loading to see the insights about that shop and also to see if this is really a winning product or not. So it's still loading, guys. This platform takes a little bit of time because it's not easy to gather the insights right away. It takes a little bit of time. So here, guys, this shop listed 277 products in their shop, and here if you went far to your right, you will see here that this is the total shop sales, more than 15,000 sales. And here, this is the shop's age. This shop was created 53 months ago. And by scrolling again, we will see all of the products that they have. And here, ultimate coaching bundle, 1500 plus ultimate social media, mindfulness worksheet, purpose, 6 session coach. Let's see if we can find this product. 30 days of marketing carousels. Let's see if we are going to find this, and here it is. But this is 30 days of wisdom. That's not what we are looking for. Let's scroll down to find 30 days of marketing carousels. Let's give it a few seconds to load. Here, let's wait for it. As I said, guys, it takes a little bit of time to get the data. And here, let's complete looking to see social manager of media, 30 pre-made beauties. So it looks like it's down, it's not up. So let's just check another product here that we can, just to show you an example. Let's check this one here to show you examples of how you can know if this is really a winning product or not. So here, based on the reviews, we will be able to guess how many sales or how much sales they are making per month and the total sales they've made with this product. So here you have 86 reviews, and based on what I know, that half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So that means 192 sales based on the reviews in total. And here, these are the reviews per month. So that means six sales per month. So if 6 sales per month, if you are making 6 sales per month with a product on Etsy, and also it's a digital product and costs $23, that's a winning product that needs to give it a try. So here I'm going to show you how you can create products like that using canva.com. So here, let's open canva.com. Let's give it a few seconds to load. Then I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products without even creating them from scratch or paying anyone to create them. So here, just go to the search and type the name of the product that you want to create. For example, Instagram story templates. We will just type the name here and click on search, and you will be able to see a lot of Instagram story templates that you can just add your touch to, change a little bit of them, then you will have your own product ready to be sold. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.